You can do it, Abby. It's okay. You're doing good.
Just to slow down.
Okay.
A lot of flies here.
Very good.
Just watch your steps, okay?
Uh-huh. Oh, sorry. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Give me a hand.
Wait, what? This is
Fell
fun.
in my eye.
What?
Something fell in my eye.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't rub it. Don't rub it. All right. Good job.
Oh.
Give me a pull. Yeah. Good job, Justin. Good job, Abby.
Here.
Yeah. Where's mommy? Mommy is stuck forever.
Wait, what?
Give me walking stick. I can't play.
Yeah, we'll go back down and get it. It's okay.
I decided to hold my camera because the chest pack and not let me go sideways. Yeah.
Oh.
Can you go up here?
No, we don't want to go up there. Because I just did something over there.
Oh, okay.
I'm recording. I don't want to.
What do you put your feet?
It's alright. It's fine.
Oh, oh my.
Yeah.
I want to see this. Oh. You gotta lose some more weight.
No,
No, that's the.
it's a chest pack.
Oh, okay.
You gotta lose some more weight.
Hey, got that on camera right there.
All right,
Alright.
Was that fun?
good. Yeah, very fun. Okay.
Uncle Lyle would think so too.
Yeah.
You had to call him out.
I say, Uncle Leo,
Uncle Lyle,
you're
What?
next.
you're next.
Okay.
Call him out.
Go do it now.
Go.
Alright, let's go out this way.
Just you go first. But I don't know how. Yoy.
Go, I'll follow.
Just step on it. Please.
Oh, there's something else.
Like a rock? Attendance is better than candle stand.
My back. Oh.
Very flexible, you know?
Oh.
Abby has a very flexible back.
Oh, I was lying down. That hurt. That didn't hurt. It's over. Okay, you go get the
Go get this stick. Mommy got you.
Are you scared?
Oh, there's a web right there.
Yay.
I was like, I think they put that tree thing there on purpose.
It's like, seems like it's a hole. There's a way out, but then there's a hole there.
I think they put that there on purpose.